Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 15 device. Now I can show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, of course, you need to open the control panel and make your screen dimmer, because screen is consuming a lot of battery power. The next step is to disable all unnecessary features. Disable cellular if you don't need it right now. Disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and personal hotspot if you don't need it right now. Then open the settings, and in settings find display and brightness and enable the dark mode. In the dark mode, of course, your screen is consuming less battery power. It's only because of the technology of producing the screens for the iPhone devices. So now in iPhones we have LED screens, and it means that screens created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and it means that lamp can't create the black color. It's impossible. So in the places when you see the black color on your iPhone screen, it means that in this place your screen is not consuming a battery power. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.